And here we are for our math video here, just talking about our math quick quiz. So we're going to be doing 6.3 math quick quiz today. And I know this is like continuing to go really well. Just as you are working through these, really just make sure to keep paying attention to the vocabulary and really make sure you are truly understanding why you have to add or why you have to subtract. That's going to be one of the biggest parts of this. So I'm going to just go to our preview here. Preview view. So number one, Diego has to solve problems on a math worksheet. He has solved 8 of them. He has 17 left to solve. How many problems are there total on the worksheet? Explain how you know. So again, I want you to use the sentence starter. I know there are blank problems total because why. And so it's really, I want you to explain what the operation is. Is it addition? Is it subtraction? Is it multiplication or division? That's one of the biggest parts about this unit, is really just truly understanding a word problem. And this is a single step word problem again. There is just one part, but really use that to just for your thinking as you're going through this problem. Another way just to really think about it too, just got to get through here. Yikes! Here we go. Just another thing to really think about too, when I just, and I'll just kind of use just a little bit of teaching, a little bit of explaining here. So if I'm just going to go back to the problem quick. So Diego has solved 8 problems. He has 17 left to solve. I'm just going to show you something. Use some different information here. Let's say I have 4 mints. Love chewing on mints, or sucking on mints. If I have 4 mints. I have already used 6 mints. How many did I, basically the question is, how many did I have? I have to think, okay, what's going to make the most sense for this kind of a problem? Well, if I have 4 mints, or if I have 4 mints, I ate 6 of them, so I have 4, ate 6. How many did I have? So I have to think, what's going to make the most sense using these two numbers? So one of the things I like to think about is like using like a math mountain. So if I have 4, I ate 6 of them, those are my 2 parts. And then I'm going to think, okay, well, but how many did I have? That's going to be my total up top. So this is a part down here, I should say part, and this is my total up top, which would give me 10. So that's for just number 1. So then I want you thinking about number 2. Kat made 12 drawings. She used crayons for 7 and markers for the rest. How many drawings did she make with markers? This one I'm going to use a comparison bar, but I'm going to give you some different things here too. So let's say I have 15 pizzas, because I love pizza. 7 are just plain cheese, and some are veggie. My big question then is, how many veggie? Now I know I'm not doing complete sentences here, but just to speed it up for you. So when I think about this with a comparison bar, well, I already know what my total is. My total is 15. And one of those parts is 7 plain cheese, just PC, and the other part is veggie. So I need to try to think, okay, well, what's my veggie going to be? Well, and I always like to kind of think about with this kind of a thing then, well, my situation equation, well, I have 15 pizzas, 7 are plain, the rest are veggie. Well, I could think about it like this. I could take 15 minus 7 equals that blank. Or I could also think about it like this, because I know that just the opposite. 7 plus what equals 15. So that's another way to think about this kind of a problem. And number 3, again, this is going to be a comparison. Compare these two numbers. In the last couple videos you've watched me just kind of talk about just going place value by place value, and that's going to really help. You know, just the 9 of these two problems really stands for 9,000. But so when I look at those two, that's going to be a big help for me as I'm just trying to think about this. But yeah, just keep showing your good thinking and keep it up. Been very impressed.